In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely delete all of your messages on Discord across all of the different servers. Now please note that this will only delete messages sent by you, unless you're in a server where you have the correct roles and permissions to do so. Now, as Discord does not have a feature within the app to allow us to delete all messages, we are going to need to use a free third-party tool to help us achieve this. The first thing we need is a tool called TamperMonkey, and this tool is going to allow us to run scripts within the Discord web browser, which we will be needing shortly. So let's jump straight into it and head over to an internet browser, and you want to come to the website tampermonkey.net. From the top of this page, you want to select the web browser that you're currently using. For me, that's going to be Google Chrome, and then scroll down the page and select Get from Store. Then all we need to do is select Add to Chrome, and then select Add Extension. Now don't worry, as this is a completely safe tool to use. and download. And it's all open source, so everything you are downloading can be viewed by you or anyone else for that matter, in case you are worried. Now that we have TamperMonkey installed, we are able to run scripts, so all we need to do now is download the actual script we are going to be running. So you could download this from either OpenUser.js or Greasy Fork. I've added the link to this page in the description, so you can come to the page that I'm seeing here. And on this video, I'm going to be downloading the OpenUser.js. Then all you need to do is press this install link at the top. And what this is going to do is going to open the source again, so you will be able to see exactly what is in it and all of the source code if you did want to read through it. Otherwise, come to the top and click the install button. Now, once we've done that, our browser is ready for us to use. So once we've downloaded the script, all you need to do is open up Discord in a web browser. Yep, in a web browser, not the actual app. And you want to come inside of the channel that you want to be deleting messages from. Then once you're in your channel, you'll notice this trash icon at the top here. If we come into this, and you want to press these three buttons underneath Author ID, Server ID, and Channel ID. If you want to delete messages from another user and you have the correct permissions to do so, you can just copy and paste their ID into this Author ID field. So if we just scroll down on the left here, we have a few options to filter the messages that we want to delete. For example, you can only delete messages that have links, or have files, or any pinned messages. And you can also come down and select certain dates to delete messages from certain periods. Inside of advanced settings at the bottom here, we can leave all of this, and you can also leave this authorization token at the bottom here. If you do get an error message relating to this, then you'll need to add the authorization token. If you're unsure on how to do this, then you can just press this little help button here. So once we finish customizing all these little options here, then all we simply need to do is press this delete button. Now, as you can see here, it's detected all my messages within this channel, and I just need to confirm to delete them. So all you need to do is wait for the script to finish running, which could be relatively quick or slightly longer depending on the number of messages you are deleting. And as you can see, for me, my messages have now been deleted. If you want to delete all of the messages from a server, then we can just remove the Author ID up here. But of course, this is only going to delete users' messages that we actually have the correct permissions to do so. And that's it. So if you did find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.